Victory for the underdog has a sweetness the favorite will never know. 13 and a half games behind, the New York Giants rode a straight comeback streak to tie the league-leading Dodgers on the last day of the season, October 3rd, 1951, the last game of the playoff for the National League pennant. The Dodgers lead 4-2 in the bottom of the ninth. Even with 2 men on base, the Giants face a frustrating defeat.
Go.
Baseball is known today as America's favorite national pastime. Its origin is unknown, but sports involving bats and balls, like cricket, have been known to influence the sport. There are few records of the forming of baseball's rules in the late 1700s. By then, the sport had many names. Common names were town ball, round ball, and baseball. The rules that you know today were a lot different than the ones back then. They have been changed from the original rules to be fair to both teams playing the game. One rule that was changed is 3 balls being struck at and missed, and the last one caught is a hand out. If not caught, it is considered fair, and a striker is bound to run. Today the rule is 3 strikes and you're out. Some of the rules are still the same. For instance, a ball being struck or tipped and is caught is a hand out. We still use this rule today. By 1845, a list of rules were made by Alexander Cartwright. These rules are known to have defined the modern game. With these rules, people started taking interest in the game. Town began putting teams together. The first recorded game took place the following year. Some of the greatest baseball players were Jackie Robinson, David Ortiz, and the greatest of all time, Babe Ruth.
Babe did everything in a grand way, holding both the home run and career strikeout records, as well as records for the longest suspension
And some of the best parts of baseball are the celebrations.
Go.
By 1845, wait, start over!